I was allowed to follow the rubrics of Pius XII. I was allowed to choose the bishop who ordained me, even so. Argentina was a complete disaster. So Bishop Lorna told me, all right, it's not going to be wise to go to Argentina now. So, and he wrote a letter. He kindly wrote a letter to Bishop Sanborn asking him if he had no problem of ordaining me. So Bishop Sanborn said, it's up to you. So he gave me the option, and I said, all right, if the Bishop Pivarunas is agree with that, I will be ordained here. I was ordained on June the 2003.